Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports interior and exterior appearance, LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, tires are in good condition, a macchiato beige MB Tex interior paired with a burl walnut wood trim. Coming around back, we've got our E300 4MATIC badging. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, push start ignition. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, ambient lighting, a rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E300 4MATIC has 23,309 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.